Hey you. What are you still doing up? Come back to bed. You aren't sleepy. We'll see about that. Come, sit here with me. Let's watch the rain together for a little bit. I love it when it rains during a full moon. It almost makes everything look surreal. Almost like we're in a fairy tale. Shh. Don't talk. Just listen. Listen to the rain. It's so soothing. So relaxing. And it's such a complex sound too. It's easier to hear if you close your eyes. Close your eyes, darling. Come on, do it for me. Thank you. Rest your head on my chest. That's it. Very good. Just relax and let me play with your hair for a little bit. Isn't this nice? Shh. Just nod your head. Now listen to the rain. Really focus on the sound. As I was saying, it's such a complex sound. You can hear the general hiss of 1,000 teeny droplets hitting the ground every second. That sound is obvious. But there's also the soft drumming of the rain on the roof. The more subtle tap, tap, tap on the leaves. Listen carefully. I'm sure you can hear all of it if you just focus. It's really a wonderful sound. So relaxing. So soothing. I love listening to the rain and letting my thoughts drift away. It's so nice. I could listen to it all day. Not doing anything. Just relax and listen to the rain. If you listen oh so carefully, you can make out the gentle pitter-pattering of the rain on the windows. Listen. It always fascinated me as a kid, you know? The way a raindrop just slides down the window. It still does. I love following a single droplet as it touches and then makes its way down. Sliding down the window. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. Sometimes going a little to the left, sometimes a little to the right. But always down. down, down, down. Imagine it. See it in your mind. A huge window before you, full of little droplets of rain. Pick one of them, close to the top of the window. Focus on it. It's not moving quite yet, but you know it's just a matter of time. Almost. Almost. There it goes. Follow it. Follow it with your eyes as it slides down. That's it. Follow it down. 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 You're doing so well, darling. Now look for another drop. There at the top. See it in your mind. Focus on it. Wait for it to start moving. And follow it down. The raindrop is sliding down. And you're sliding right down along with it. Down, down, down. Until finally it melts away into a big puddle. Just like you're melting into a big puddle of relaxation. You're so relaxed. So heavy. So drowsy. And it feels so good. So very good. To just lie here. Your head resting on my chest. Feeling so safe. So comfortable. And you can just barely feel my fingertips slowly gliding through your hair, tracing little circles with my fingertips, gently massaging your scalp. It feels wonderful. You feel wonderful. There's nothing to do, nothing to think about. You can just lie here, listening to the rain, listening to my voice, following my voice, letting it guide you, guiding you deeper and deeper into relaxation, deeper and deeper down. You're doing so well. Feeling so relaxed, heavy, so drowsy. Just let go. Let everything go. Just let yourself collapse into my arms. There we go. I got you. Lie back now, darling. Really let yourself sink into the cushions. Cushions are so soft, and your body is just so heavy. So limp, so loose. Feel yourself sinking down through the cushions now. They're like clouds. Soft, fluffy, and insubstantial. You're sinking through them, and it feels so good. Just sinking down, deeper and deeper down, weightlessly floating, without a care in the world. Just relaxing. Let your thoughts drift. Listening to the sound of the rain. Enjoy this, darling. Enjoy the sound of my voice, my presence. Keep sinking deeper down. Relax. Let everything go. Let your thoughts drift away. There is nothing to think about. Just listen. Listen to my voice. Listen to the sound of my breathing. Let the sound of my voice, of my breathing, take you deeper, 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 deeper. Just enjoy being here with me. Deeper. Letting me guide you deeper, deeper, letting me take you deeper, 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 deeper. That's it. Well done. Go to sleep now. Let go of everything. Let any last thought to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. 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 Good night, my darling.